The first criminal defendants, potentially of many, have been released from jail because even after waiting, they don't have access to court-appointed attorneys. The attorneys are on a work stoppage as they protest what the state pays them. As WBZ's Kristina reports, if this goes on any longer, some of these defendants, including some charged with violent crimes, could have their cases thrown out altogether.
All right, happy to be out?
Yes, sir.
That's Deshaun Lawrence, walking out of court a free man for now.
Good morning, Mr. Lawrence.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Minutes before, he was cuffed, and he's facing drug distribution charges. Lawrence was released because for more than 7 days, he was not represented by a lawyer.
I got arrested, and I didn't have no actual legal aid, like I said, to defend me, my rights. And I was really frustrated because I lost a lot.
In court in Boston Monday, 4 criminal defendants were released, including a woman charged with distributing drugs and a man accused of choking his partner. Hundreds more could be released in the coming weeks. Why? Because the state's highest court ruled that any defendant without a lawyer for 7 days or more must be set free.
This is an absolute crisis. 20% of the lawyers can't take 80% of the case, 100% of the cases.
Right now, only full-time public defenders are working. Usually, they take only about 20% of cases, and private attorneys known as bar advocates take the remaining 80% of court-appointed work. But they stopped working after Memorial Day in protest of poor pay and declining staff.
This has clearly reached a critical stage. It's reached an emergency stage. We need to fix this in order to keep qualified lawyers in this industry, in this practice, and then also to attract and recruit more.
In the meantime, defendants like Brittany DeGrassa, accused of distributing drugs, are back out on the street.
Really grateful because without the lawyers, I'd probably still be in there, honestly.
The situation is frustrating for lawyers and judges who have to release criminal defendants because of staffing issues.
Unfortunately, we haven't found anyone willing to take the cases.
Not one person. You're reporting to the court that not one private attorney will accept a case.
That's correct.
It's up to the legislature to raise the pay rate for bar advocates to get them back to work. Now, just last week, Governor Healy signed this year's budget into law with no pay raise listed. These hearings will continue for the foreseeable future, and they start in Middlesex County this Wednesday. In Boston, Kristina, WBZ News.